Welcome back to the channel, guys. So it is no secret, it's a well documented fact that one Usain Lightning Bolt, you know, the boy who learned to fly from Sherwood Content in Chilani, will be hanging up his spikes after the 2017 London World Championship as a competitive athlete. Yeah, that's what I say. It will be the end of an era. It will be the end of probably the greatest era in track and field. You understand what I say? He's saying, however, that 2017 will be for his fans. You understand? Soon, sir. '17 will be all about the fans, says Bolt. Sprint legend Usain Bolt says he has no concerns as he looks forward to his final big meet, the 2017 IAAF World Championships in London. Bolt said the groundwork has already been laid to make his training program less stressful as he prepares for his last season of track and field. Right now, it is my last season, and I have to just go out there and enjoy, said Bolt. Bolt said this while speaking at the annual Usain Bolt charity in his home community of Sherwood Content, Chilani. The focus is on the 100 meters, and I will just be trying to enjoy the season, not too much stress, he added. In addition, the Sprint King outlined that pleasing his fans on the track will be another focus in 2017. He vowed to attend as many track meets as possible in order to interact with his fans before his retirement. It's all about my fans. I think they always showed me a lot of love, and I am just going to go out there for them and do my best as always, Bolt explained. The 6-year-old charity event was held on the grounds of his old school, Waldensia Primary in Sherwood, and as usual, it was organized with the continued partnership of Digicel. More than 600 people came out for the day's event, particularly children who were treated to entertainment, food, gifts, joy, toys and rides. No matter what I do inside and outside of the community, as long as I ask, Digicel will always come on board. We will continue our partnership even beyond track and field, stated Bolt, who is the Chief Speed Officer for Digicel. Kamal Powell, Senior Sponsorship and Development Manager at Digicel Jamaica, said that the company was particularly pleased to see that the entire community came out and everyone was able to spend a great day with Bolt. Usain is an influential member of the Digicel family who places great emphasis on the importance of giving back to the community. We share a sense of duty. That is why each year we don't hesitate to support him in his efforts to spend time with his community folks and give back during the holidays, explained Powell. So the big man said this year is about enjoying himself, is about giving back to the fans, and when it's all said and done, it will be a bittersweet day in Jamaica's and world's track and field. You understand? You go boss, you know, we say as in general, just go and dig up yourself, just go and do your thing. You put in the work charge, you just go and reap the rewards. You understand? Don't overdo the things still. You see me I say? Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.